Thank you for buying this folding hand truck from Fixture Displays. This heavy-duty, nice unit allow you to easily fold and unfold, and it can adjust the bed length by a simple sliding operation. The wheels are strong and beefy. I hope you enjoy this product. And these are the detailed dimensions. Unfold is very simple. And the wheels are solid wheels. No inflation required. It will never go flat. This is how you would extend the bed. Have a safe move, and thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.